was really interesting to see their responses, because obviously it's in like the news a lot lately, and unfortunately it's in the communities. And it was, I think it's because it promotes their thinking. They were asking questions, it got them to think about it, and it was interesting to see that they were being like really sensible and thoughtful, and they actually had a real reaction to it. They enjoyed it, but at the same time it did get them thinking. It promoted their thoughts on those issues, which are really important, and I think just they really enjoyed it overall. Because it promotes their confidence in speaking, and obviously the better you are at speaking, the more ideas you have, the better you can write, because you've got experiences to draw upon and talk about. And obviously the performance evokes lots of feelings, lots of emotion, and the children can write about that, so I think it improves confidence with that as well. So when we do RE or we do SMSC, so the children learn about social and emotional issues. So during discussion, we could talk about how it affects them. Do they know anybody that's been in this situation, or do they know any stories that they could share? So it gives them reflection time, which I think is really important, and just again to promote that discussion and give them a chance, give them a voice, and give them like a safe space to discuss those things that they might not think they could at school. So for example, because we always study maths and literacy, it's something different that we can do aside from the everyday. But I think it's just as important for them to see that it has a place in school.